today we're installing for the KFC in Mitcham. The owner of the store is actually an existing client of NRG. So the great thing is that they've come back and are asking us to just help them with a solution for this particular store. So for this business, 20 kilowatts worth of inverters, 26 kilowatts worth of panels. The panels themselves are made by a company called Trina. Been around for about 25, 26 years. Incredibly technologically advanced. We match that with a racking system as well called Schletter. So that's a German engineered product as well, but they all need to work together. So with the inverter, we use a company called Fronius. Fronius have been around for 85 years. They build a high quality, very reliable product. We've had a relationship with them since 2015. We're also what's designated as being a Fronius Service Partner Plus. There are 11 of those in the country. We're the only ones here in South Australia that have that designation with Fronius, is that it means that we're actually accredited to do those repairs on site for them. All of the components that we're using are good quality components that are going to last a long time. We've matched those together with long-term warranties. We've got 10 years on the inverters, we've got 25 years on the panels, we've got 25 years on the racking. So we're putting all these things together in such a way that it gives the customers peace of mind. But a commercial business has the advantage of basically operating at the peak times when the system itself is working its hardest. It can reduce the payback period that you have for your system. But it's one of the only assets that I know of that actually pays itself off. So it's a great time to be considering it. It's a great idea.